for ball that bounces on your feet. C for cat with soft fur. D for dog who loves to purr. E for elephant, big and gray. F for fish that swim and play. G for giraffe, so tall and high. H for hat you wear up high. I for ice cream, cold and nice. J for jelly made of spice. K for kite, flying free. L for lion, wild with glee. M for monkey, jumping loud. N for nest, safe and proud. O for owl who hoots at night. P for penguin, black and white. For queen with crown so bright. R for rabbit, hopping light. S for sun that shines all day. T for train that chugs away. U for umbrella in the rain. V for van down the lane. W for whale in the sea. X for xylophone, play with glee. Y for yak with wool so thick. Z for zebra with stripes so slick.